The Cambridge Mosque Trust is the first purpose-built mosque in Cambridge and is dedicated to the spiritual and social welfare of the city's estimated 6,000 Muslims, including many visiting students. It also serves as a cultural bridge, fostering greater understanding between communities, and has a strong educational component, providing an infrastructure and support for learning and research. The facade of the complex is completed in brick, complementing the materials already used in the neighbourhood. Integrating site services and offices, the building is set in a hard and soft landscaped area. Car parking and mechanical plants are located in the single basement level, with bicycle racks at street level. Inside, the new mosque can accommodate a congregation of up to 1,000 men and women. The main entrance area is open during normal daytime hours. Out of hours, there are fully fenced security gates to the front of the building and complete side and rear perimeter fencing. The site is patrolled and monitored with 24/7 security from an external security office. Internal and external CCTV is also monitored by the on-site security team. This front section of the building consists of an entrance atrium, 2 side rooms for general meetings or teaching, a kitchen area and changing and bathroom areas. The back section of the building consists of the main prayer hall, 4 flats for student residential accommodation and the imam residential accommodation. Access to the residential areas is controlled via gated entry and on-site security. All kitchen spaces are electric cooking only. This highlighted section is the access ramp for the underground car park. The roof was inspected and showed no areas of concern. These highlighted areas are skylights, with the raised square internal skylights also having a vent system built in. These vents are to regulate internal temperature, as well as to allow smoke to escape in the event of a fire. The solar panels form part of the building's integrated services to achieve low carbon emissions. They were checked for obvious damage, of which there was none. A thermographic profile of the roof detected no irregularities or overheating. The solar panels and vent systems were all operating at safe and expected temperatures, with temperatures not exceeding 27 degrees Celsius on any component. The client has been advised to upgrade their gate padlock to a closed shackle padlock to minimise risk of forced entry. The internal support for the building is made up of interlocking timber arches. All internal timber framework and walling has been treated with Envirograph fire retardant coating, which complies with Class 0 and 1 fire protection standards. The fire alarm is monitored by ARC Fire Safety and uses RedCare signalling. All residential accommodation areas are also covered by a mains water sprinkler system. The car park houses the electrical plant room. A thermographic profile of each major component in the plant room detected no irregularities or overheating. The car park also houses the air source heat pumps and heat recovery system, which control the internal temperature of the building. This type of heat pump extracts energy from the relatively stable temperature of the air, which will heat or cool the building as necessary.